In this video, I'm going to show you how to spawn giant dump truck in GTA 5. So I'm going to show you through the mod and how to install it, and I'm going to show you how big this vehicle really is. So it has giant wheels. It's basically the largest dump truck you could get in this game. So let's start with the mod. So now open Google Chrome and search for this. Go to this website and download. Now search for this mod and choose this mod and download this one. Now go to your downloads folder and open your GTA folder. Now go to menu, copy these two folders and paste them. Then go here and copy these folders and paste them. Before launching the game, turn on launch options and write -no battle I. So once you launch the game, you need to press F8 and then choose vehicle options, vehicle spawner, go down and you're gonna see industrial, and here you're gonna see dump. So press F8 to remove the menu, and this is your giant dump truck here. So let's try to run over some cars and see how massive this is. So let's try to run over this car here. As you can see, it basically destroys cars completely. This is like the dump truck, and that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.